Welcome friends. In this video we will derive another reduction formula regarding the transcendental function, and in particular we consider integration of tan raised to n x of tan raised to n x into dx. As usual, we write this term as tan raised to n minus 2x into tan square x into dx. Again, using the relation between sec and tan, we have tan raised to n minus 2x into sec square x minus 1 into dx. Now this will gives us two integration, tan raised to n minus 2x into sec square x into dx minus integration of tan raised to n minus 2x into dx. To evaluate the first integration, in the first integration put tan x equal to t, so that sec square x into dx equal to dt. We are only evaluating the first part. Okay, this is equal to t raised to n minus 2 into dt, and keeping the second integration as it is, n minus 2x into dx. Integration of this is t raised to n minus 1 divided by n minus 1 minus integration of tan raised to n minus 2x into dx. Substituting the value of t, we have tan raised to n minus 2 n minus 1 x divided by n minus 1 minus integration of tan raised to n minus 2x into dx. So this is a reduction formula. Let us take an example which will show how it is applicable to. For examples, integration of tan cube x, you can see that value of n is 3. Directly put this value into the reduction formula. Tan raised to 3 minus 1, that is 2, tan square x divided by 3 minus integration of tan x into dx equal to tan square x divided by 3 minus, and integration of tan x is minus log of cos x. Okay, n minus 2 here, n minus 1, so 3 minus 1 will give us a 2, and directly we have seen that how we arrived at a solution within one step. Okay, let us move to another important reduction formula, and that formula is about sec raised to nx into dx. Okay, similar formula will be get regarding cot raised to nx, and that will be homework to you. You can derive that formula yourself, try yourself. This will give you a practice. Here in this video we will derive sec raised to nx, and you can derive cosec raised to nx. We will leave it to you. That means we are leaving to you cot raised to n and cosec raised to n. Here again we write it as integration of sec raised to n minus 2x into sec square x into dx. Okay, now this is my first function, this is my second function. Applying the integration by parts. First function as it is, sec raised to n minus 2x as it is, integration of second. Since derivative of tan is sec square, so integration of sec square is a tan. Therefore tan x minus integration of derivative of the first n minus 2 into sec raised to n minus 3x into derivative of sec x, that is sec x tan x into integration of second tan x into dx equal to sec raised to n minus 2x tan x minus n minus 2 into integration of, look at this, sec raised to n minus 3 and this sec, this will gives us n minus 2x and tan square x into dx. Again substituting the value of tan square x in the integration. First term will remain as it is, tan of x minus n minus 2 into integration of sec raised to n minus 2x into sec square x minus 1 into dx equal to sec raised to n minus 2x into tan x minus, separating the parenthesis term n minus 2 integration of this n minus 2 and this 2, this will becomes n into dx and this minus and this minus become plus n minus 2 integration of sec raised to n minus 2x into dx. Here we have sec raised to n term. Transpose this term to the left side. We have already evaluating this sec raised to nx into dx. So coefficient of this is 1 and this minus will become a plus. So 1 plus n minus 2 gives us integration of sec raised to nx into dx equal to sec raised to n minus 2x into tan x plus n minus 2 integration of sec raised to n minus 2x into dx. 1 plus n minus 2, that will be n minus 1. Transfer this n minus 1 to the right side and then we have sec raised to nx into dx equal to sec raised to n minus 2x into tan x divided by n minus 1 plus n minus 2 divided by n minus 1 integration of sec raised to n minus 2x into dx. This is our required formula of reduction formula of sec raised to nx. Since the third term of this integration, you can see that in the right, the second terms actually will be power of that term is n minus 2, that is it is decreased by 2 and hence it is called as a reduction formula. Okay, there we have derived two formulas, one of tan raised to n and second of sec raised to n, leaving to you cot raised to n and cosec raised to n for your practice.
Hello guys, thank you for watching video.